From skyscraper, the building is topped by the famous Liverbergs, which stand nearly 6 meters high. They're said to be based on an eagle, which was the original seal of King John. However, when the seal was lost in the 18th century, the artist commissioned to design the new seal.
Muna siyang lugar na among gipuy-an, mutabok lang siya. Itong Liverpool, niya, igul ka mutabok diri, dara among lugar. No, tabok lang. Shipyard, na diha ang shipyard, dagko kayong shipyard sa Liverpool sa mo ang ipuy-an. Araw. Daghang Pilipino, among silingan, Pilipino. Ara, mutabok ka lang, nara balik namin sa port. Kanang building nakita ninyo nga puti. Ito ang radio station tower. Diri yung kuan kana modunggo ang mga cruise ship diri. Nya kanang building nga o kanang dako kay building diha daw gi-shooting ang katong